Hello guys, my name is Dharyll and welcome to my channel, and I'm here to discuss to you and to share some information and summary about chapter 1 in Cisco, and entitled Explore the Network. So without further ado, let's get started. So chapter 1 of the Internet Acad entitled Explore the Network. So first, what is a network? A network is a collection of computers, servers, mainframes, network devices, peripherals, or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing of data. So, credits to computerhouse.com. Doon ko kinuha yung meaning nitong network. So, nowadays, all of people are connected in a network. So, example of a network is internet. So all of all of us are connected in internet. So with the use of network, we can share a data the other people with the use of our computers, cell phones, or other devices that we have. So basically, a network allow us to share data to the other device that we want. Network has also a great contribution in the development in our industry, especially in the business, yeah, company and other etc. Ano, next is kailangan din na reliable yung network. So, paano nga ba magiging reliable yung network? Uh, so, meron tayong tinatawag na network architecture. So, network architecture, meron siyang apat na characteristic. These four characteristics make the network reliable. So first is the fault tolerance. Second is scalability. Third is quality of service or QoS. Next is security. So first, let's talk about the tolerance. The fault tolerance. Fault tolerance. A fault tolerant network is one that limits the impact of a failure so that the fewest number of devices are affected. So before I continue, yung mga meaning ng apat na network architecture is kinuha ko po siya sa NetAcad. Credits po sa NetAcad. So basically po yung fault tolerant network ay naglilimit po siya ng impact of failure so that konti lang po yung maapektuhan na devices. So for example po, I have 10 computers, then they encounter failure. For example, that failure can potentially affect all of my 10 computers. So a fault tolerant network limits the impact of failure. So with that, sabihin natin na dalawa lang yung maapektuhan sa 10 computer. So ganun po yun. Other naman pong ginagawa pa ng fault tolerant network is, for example, sa pagme-message natin, ang ginagawa po dun, bine-breakdown po yung message natin. Hinahati-hati po yun into packets. Yung mga packets naman po, may kanya-kanya po silang paths na padadaanan. For example, path 1, path 2, and path 3. So for example, that the packets are traveling in path 3, but the path 3 is encounter failure. So bawal dumaan doon. So parang sarado yung daan. So ang mangyayari po doon, gagawa po ng paraan, magagawa ng ibang path upang matuloy pa rin yung message mo doon sa ibang device. So pali ang ginagawa po ng fault tolerance is kahit po mag-shutdown yung isang path, gagawa po siya ng ibang link o ibang path para lang tumuloy pa rin yung message mo at ma-deliver doon sa ibang devices. Fault tolerance po is recovery din. Kaya din po niya mag-recover sa mga failure po sa network. So ganun lang po kabilis ang nangyayari ang lahat. Pag type mo lang sa messenger, ganun po yung nangyayari doon sa fault tolerance. Next naman po is Sorry for that. Scalability. A scalable network can expand quickly to support new users and application without impacting the performance of the service being delivered to existing users. So, ang scalability naman po is may ability siya na mag-expand pa. Kunyari, you have only 20 PCs, 20 computer desktop, and example, I have a business. I have 10 people working on me, and uh, kanya-kanya meron silang computer at internet connection. So, for example, lumalago na yung business ko, kailangan ko nang mag-expand ng building at kailangan ko mag-hire ng ibang tao. For example, nag-hire ako ng ibang people. So, sa office na yun, 10 lang yung PC. So, nag-hire ako ng people, for example, naging 20 na yung aking workers. So, kailangan ko mag-expand ng network. Pero, ang kagandahan dahil may scalability is hindi po nade-degrade yung performance and service even though nag-expand ka ng maraming connections or network. Yun po yung maganda sa scalability. So, kaya po yung ibang mga nakakagawa po sila ng mga software or program, basta sinusunod lang po nila yung protocols and standard na hindi po nadidegrade yung performance and service sa mga users. So, yun po yung scalability, nag-expand po siya without degrading the performance. Malaki ang contribution yan sa mga company na malalago na. Marami silang mga PC, mga network doon, iba't ibang mga tao, iba't ibang office, mga ganun po yun. Sa mga malalaking company po. Next is a quality service or QoS. The meaning QoS becomes a primary mechanism for managing congestion and ensuring reliable delivery of content to all user. So, of course, all of us demands a great quality and service of internet connections. Sino ba namang gusto na delay lagi, naglalag, packet loss, diba? So, ganun. So, nabanggit dito na managing congestion. Yung congestion po sa networking, ang congestion po is nag-exceed po sa limit na bandwidth yung hinihingi ng yung device. Yung bandwidth po is a measurement ng bits per second. For example po, may nag-uusap ng 2 tao at nag-exceed yung bandwidth niya na available lang. Magkakaroon po ng congestion doon, magkakaroon po ng problema sa pag-uusap. Ganun po yung nangyayari doon. So, dahil po may quality service, is naiiwasan pong mangyari yung congestion. Next naman po is ensuring reliable delivery of content to all users. So, with the quality of service, nai-ensure naman na nadi-deliver ng ayos yung content sa mga gagamit. For example ako, nag-type ako, gusto ko google.com. So, lalabas yun ng smoothly yung gusto kong content. Nangyayari yung quality of service doon sa router. For example, ako yung router, tapos may dalawang PC na nakakonect sa akin. Yung PC1 is gusto niya, ang tinype niya doon is web page lang. For example, nag-search lang siya sa Wikipedia, sa Google. Yung pangalawa is nanonood ng stream, nag-i-stream siya ng video. So, yung PC1 is low priority lang yun kasi web page lang naman yung kanyang niloload. So, walang masyadong heavy doon. So, ang priority ko is yung streaming. So, sa quality, dapat doon ka magpo-focus sa stream kasi mas heavy yun kasi dapat smoothly yung video niya, yung walang lag. Ganun po gumagana yun. Pati rin po sa gaming, kaya ngayon, wala nang packet loss, wala nang lag kasi sa quality of service dahil minamanage niya yung congestion and ensuring reliable delivery of content to all of the users. Next naman po is Lastly is security. The security refers to protecting the information contained within the packet between transmitted over the network and the information stored on network-attached devices. So, napakahalaga po ng security sa kahit na sino man, lalo na sa mga malalaking kumpanya na meron silang naprotektahan o kumbaga kanila lang yung data na yun, bawal i-share kasi yun yung sikreto nila. So, sa security, there are three things to be remembered here, which is the confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So, dun sa confidentiality, ah, ang ibig sabihin po nun is dapat ang nakaka-access lang or nakakapag-edit ng mga data is yung personal in charge lamang. So, sa security, dapat may isa lang tao na nakakalam ng password or access doon sa data na yun for security purposes. Tapos, next is uh, integrity. So, minimake sure na dapat yung data na yun is hindi altered sa origin papunta sa destination. So, yun po yung integrity. Next is the availability. So, timeless po yung data. Dapat na-access po siya nung personal in charge kahit anytime without hassle. That is the availability. Kahit anong oras pwede mo siyang buksan at kahit tingnan mo siya kahit anong gusto mong gawin doon. So, yun po yung ilan po na mahalagang ginagampanan po ng network sa ating mundo. So, without network or internet, life is hard because almost everything we do is we are relying on the internet. For me, example, me as a student, I always rely in the internet because most of the time I use it for to talk to my classmate about the reports and to research some on how the lesson of programming because I am an IT student. I need to search resources to the internet to study and more on in industry here in our world. Network has a great contribution because it helped develop and reach the goals of each everyone with the use of the network because here at the globe and we are all connected with the use of network. So imagining a world without network is hard. I can't imagine it because yes, we are relying in the internet. Yes, this the video what I am doing here is example of it. Kung walang internet, hindi ko mababahagi yung alam ko sa inyo. So this is example of the benefits of having a network. Nakapag-share ako ng data or information sa inyo. So, yun po yung sa chapter 1, yun po yung mahalagang information about sa network. Sana po may natutunan kayo kahit papano and hope you like it. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe and like this video. That's it. I'm Dharyll again and thank you.